Hey everybody. So I made a video on my channel showing how to use and connect N8N with Gohighlevel's MCP server. I mean, Go High Level has the official one, but I made a video showing how to use the unofficial MCP server from Go High Level and how I use my Telegram agent to just speak to it and have it do things for me. So I've been using this AI assistant like heavily now because it can read conversations, it can draft responses, and it can even do things like book appointments. So I just wanted to show a quick video to show how I am booking appointments using this. So this person, I was chatting with them on my Gmail, but then I realized, see, every time I go to Gmail, I have to manually do stuff. Even if I'm having AI responses, it's not hooked in the way this is hooked in. And this is my CRM anyway, so if I needed to expand upon this person and put them into a workflow, I can do that. So I added this person using my bot. I'm not going to go up because their information will show. And I told I told this bot already to read the person's last message and draft a response. Now I'm having an issue with high level where the person responded and I clicked reply. And when I clicked reply, it didn't quite work. Okay, I hit reply and didn't quite work because it was sending not from my domain for some crazy reason, which is okay. That's fine. Go High Level's doing its thing. But AI to the rescue, I took that message I was trying to send and I just told AI respond to this person using that message. So I posted it in and it did that. So, but then because the guy mentioned that he had a time, I told AI read the message, tell me the time difference between MDT, which is mountain time, and CDT, which is night time. And he told me, oh, so see, you can see it responding here in MDT, right? And so I said, okay, well, can you create the appointment? And he said, oh, I can't create the appointment because it failed. So what I did was I went to my N8N and I added more tools, which are just appointment tools, super simple, takes 5 minutes. And now I said I just added an appointment tool. Let me know if you can use it to plan and if you can create the event for this guy. That's when it failed the first time. I said try again after adding it. And then the reason it failed the first time is because I had duplicate tools between the create contacts set of tools and the create appointment set of tools. So I just deleted the duplicates and I said try again. And AI came here. You can see this appointment right here in the users upcoming appointments. AI created this. It's still unconfirmed, but AI created this appointment for my time zone for tomorrow. In fact, AI gave me all the different recommendations on when the appointment should be created, right? And it did all of that stuff. Asked me for a quick SMS. I said no. This is where I sent the follow-up email because you can see me trying to send the follow-up email multiple times manually. It didn't work, so I sent this follow-up email here. So I'm just showing you guys like AI is working, AI is in action. So this guy responded. Okay, this guy responded. Okay, so they just responded saying, thank you for putting this together, sharing the details. I'll discuss it with a business owner and get back right back to you, which is fantastic. Okay, now let me show you AI in action. Hey, so the guy just responded. Can you read his latest email and draft a response for me? Don't send the response, just draft it so I know, so I can get a sense of how to respond. Okay, so a few things are happening here. It is AI will go call the conversation chain, find the latest one, and read the response. And just to tell you that it's reading the response, it will show the response in its response here probably. And then it will also draft a counter response email. So let me put it this way. In the world where everything is automated and people get lots of spam messages, intentional, personalized human touch is required. The problem with that is it takes time. This has removed that time because normally, if you had a human assistant that you had to talk to, like they would read the message, they would tell you, you have to formulate a response and tell them, you have to tweak their response. It just, first of all, you're paying somebody else, which takes a lot of money, but then you're going back and forth with the person and it's kind of frustrating. But now I can do all of that back and forth with AI. AI will read the message, draft a response. So see, he thanked you for the detail and will discuss with the business owner and get back to you. Remember? Thanks, Jobert. Appreciate the quick reply. While you and I review, I can tentatively hold this time tomorrow for a quick 15-minute call. If that works, I'll send the invite. If not, happy to adjust. Also, if Dar has any specific questions on the trade structure, feel free to send them my way. Come on! Professional follow-up. Professional follow-up. Absolutely amazing. Now, I can tweak this a little bit and just say, tweak this section, right? Just say I've booked the meeting and sent it your way because I have. Essentially, it's unconfirmed, but I've booked the meeting and sent it your way. If everything works well, accept it and we'll chat tomorrow. And if nothing works for some reason, that's okay. Just ignore it and just very nice meeting you guys. No problem, you know. But this is way better. Anyway, just wanted to shoot this short video. Have a great day.